Hello, in this video I am going to create Hello World application by using different classes. Now you can visit to my YouTube channel youtube.com/scikar to find out my Flutter tutorials playlist. There is a playlist tabs and there is a Flutter tutorials. You can visit to watch my previous videos. Okay, now let's get started. We can click start a new Flutter project. Here I'm going to select Flutter application. Of course it is selected by default. Next, I'm going to use project name as Flutter classes. Right now I'm going to use description as another app. I don't know. Alright, my project location is Flutter projects. Now let's next. And here you have to select your company domain. I have selected my company domain as scikar.com. Let's finish. Okay, I'm going to remove these codes. This is my main.dart file. Inside my projects and live folder, I'm going to create a new file called app.dart. Okay, and I'm going to create another one that is file new home.dart. Alright, now in main.dart file I'm going to create the main function. We can call for run app now. To resolve that, I'm going to import package flutter material.dart. Now we can call for the run app. Alright, now in home.dart file I'm going to create a new class profile, that is class home. Now I'm going to extend with this extends. Now I have to import package flutter material.dart. Okay, now this should be extend with statelets with get. Okay, now I have open and close the braces. Now I'm going to create with get, and with get name should be build brackets. Inside brackets build context name as context. Okay, now return scaffold and app bar. Now I'm going to use app bar. Inside these app bar brackets I can enter my title. Okay, title colon. Now I'm going to give a text. Let's use hello world. Alright, now I'm going to put a semicolon here to fix this error. Now I can also add a body text. This is my hello world app. Okay, alright, now I'm going to change this class to app.dart. I'm going to create new class name as app, and that is also extends with stateless with get. I have to import material.dart file. Okay, package :flutter / material.dart stateless with get. Alright, now I'm going to create with get build context. Okay, now again return. Now I'm going to use material app. Now bracket open and close. Inside this I'm going to use home : now we can give this home class name. To resolve this, we have to import our home.dart file here. Import and home.dart. Okay, it's working. Now we can add the semicolon here to resolve the error. Now in this main.dart file, we have to call for our app class. In this run app brackets, we can call for app class. Okay, to resolve that, import app.dart. Alright, finally we can add a semicolon here. Now let's run this. To run this app, I'm going to open my simulator by using command and space for searching simulator here. Alright, this is showing me some error in this test directory. Okay, I'm going to remove this file. Let's run again. Great, this is our app. Okay, I'm going to end this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel with youtube.com/SCIKAR.